Hi, my name is Megan Amitrano. I've been with WGI for 5 years. Believe it or not, I actually began my career here as an intern.
Hi, my name is Esteban Barboza. I graduated from Arizona State and I have been with WGI for 2.5 years now.
I'm a graduate from the University of Texas at San Antonio. At WGI, we have some really gorgeous offices and availability to some of the best technology out there for civil engineering design. So take a look behind me, check it out. This is my office.
Megan, what are you doing in my office?
Really?
Just kidding, this is my desk. It's a little messy, but it works.
And welcome to my office. Just kidding, I promise I do get work done around here.
While I went to school at the University of San Antonio, or UTSA, I was really involved with professional organizations, both at the professional level and the collegiate level.
I am in the civil division on the land development team. I primarily work on residential development, like multifamily and single family. That can look like affordable housing, apartments, subdivisions, and any variation within that.
A big part of my day is interfacing with clients. It's really important that they know that we're here for their goals. Ways we support our clients are by providing routine project updates and attending meetings with other development partners, such as subconsultants on the design side and the construction side. When I first interviewed with WGI, I had no idea what land development was, but now I can't imagine doing anything different.
I went into college thinking I wanted to do structural engineering, but then I took structures and realized I was better at fluid mechanics. After graduating, I came back to Texas and had no engineering connections. After submitting over 200 job applications, I finally got my first job in land development.
Land development can easily be described as a tract being privately developed. Land development engineers typically take part in the water and wastewater design, gas and electric design, grading, drainage, and roadway improvements. While at UTSA, I was very involved with extracurriculars. One of my favorite was the Texas Society of Professional Engineers. I was actually the president. It's important to begin your networking experience as a student because you'll find out that the community here is pretty small. You'll see that as a land development engineer, you work with a magnitude of different peoples like surveyors, developers, MEP engineers, structural engineers, geotechnical engineers, the list goes on and on. All of those people are necessary for a successful project.
We usually start our weeks with team meetings, setting priorities and our different tasks. And then I jump into the CAD work.
When it comes to production, typically you can find me in CAD or writing a technical report. Some of the things that I enjoy are the grading and drainage design and the utilities using Civil 3D. On the other hand, I really do enjoy writing technical reports and found that taking courses with technical writing backgrounds in college was super useful here at my job at WGI. When I'm not in CAD or writing a technical report, typically you can find me at a meeting.
My tasks include CAD work like laying out utilities and managing plating and permitting reviews and submittals. One of the challenging things as a new hire is learning the CAD standards because each company has unique expectations.
When I began my career at WGI, one of the more challenging things that I recognized was all the involvement that is necessary to make a project successful. That includes all the many public agencies that require review and approval of your project. We may be design engineers and spend a lot of time in CAD, but we do get to go on site visits! Construction phase services are a big part of what we do as civil engineers. It's critical for engineers to be observing their projects through the entire duration of construction. I'm fortunate that a lot of my sites are here in San Antonio. I'm actually on the south side right now at a great development that's going to be coming online here in the next year or so. There's no such thing as a perfect construction document set. So site visits are a great way for civil engineers to familiarize themselves with their project that's happening in real time. At WGI, we're really fortunate that we get to be part of our projects from start to finish. Right now, we're in the middle of it. We do projects in some really cool places, especially when they're downtown. Smile, you're on camera. As a new graduate or EIT, if you ever get the opportunity to take a site visit, go. It's a great way to familiarize yourself with how your designs turn out in field. The best advice that I can give to a new graduate engineer or EIT at WGI is to network early. Find an organization that you can align with and build your own brand. Dang it. It's all recorded.